Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Merck to the Specific Chiropractic Centers, and I wanted to let you know that one of our most popular workshops is right around the corner, titled Unraveling Neurodevelopmental and Behavioral Disorders. In this workshop, we go over how we help a lot of kids and young adults struggling with things like anxiety, ADD, ADHD, autism, ODD, childhood anger, and other sensory processing disorders. We cover really what's going on, why it's going on, and what's next. We've had tons and tons of parents and other health providers and teachers come through the workshop, and they always say that they leave with a bunch of information that they've never really heard in the past. We've seen some pretty incredible stories ranging from people not having to take anxiety medications, children stopping self-abuse, childhood anger diminishing totally, and many, many others. If you're interested in attending this workshop, be sure to register, as registration fills up quick and we seem to always have a wait list. Looking forward to seeing you.